So I needed to replace my purge valve on this 2016 Audi Q3 Quattro, so I picked this up so I didn't have to spend the amount of money that the OEM is. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to need to remove the intake, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this off. If you've worked on any Volkswagen or Audi, I'm sure you already have a pair of these. So we're going to take that hose clamp off. Now I actually just went ahead and kept this top portion of the intake off, and I just took out the tube, and I still had enough room to get in there to cut the pipe. Now one thing I did notice is that barb is a little bit thicker than the stock one, so you actually can't put the clamp back on. I used a sharp razor blade to cut through the pipe so that way I wasn't using anything that's going to leave any debris inside. I joined the valve and the old tube together with some 5/16 fuel line. I put a little bit of oil on the O-ring of the barbs to help slide the tube on. There you go, DIY for under $50 replacement.